Hi guys, today we're in Dunkin' Donuts. Guess what I have? 3, 2, 1. Yeah, it's the limited offer. By the way, this is my dad. And my mom. Can I put it down? Okay, I'm just.
Mahilig lang yung mayo mo talaga din along line. Yan mga tabala eh. Di ba mga tabala?
What is your favorite store when you was a kid?
Me? Sari-sari store.
Huh?
Sari-sari store. Same like Tita Carol store. You can buy everything.
What are you buying there?
Toy, gun, food, candies, chocolate, bread, plastic balloon.
How many taste?
So yeah. Totom ba?
Hindi parang nakikita yung ano niya.
Kapag live po, makikita lang ng mga libraries mabilisan kasi syempre hindi mo naman ano sa items.
One of these? This time. Wait.
It's okay, but it's too sweet.
Too sweet?
Sugar. Don't eat anything sugar.
What if there's no sugar?
It's nice. But it's too sweet.
Di ba,
I hate sweet.
Di ba sabi mo, Taylor?
Why?
You should also. Because it's bad for the body.
Damage lalo na sa ganito, bukod.
It will make you fat.
There's a medicine to make your to make sugar go away.
Halimbawa yung manako,
Exercise.
hindi pinull out.
And you need to
Kasi
eat
nakita yung damage.
healthy.
Tapos biglang tumaas yung gold. Siyempre kasi pag pinull yun, tapos ano,
What if
damage,
in
talo tayo, di ba?
February
Pwedeng ganun yung nangyari sa manako, na pwede na
February to March?
Pero nangyayari talaga yun.
I'm not gonna eat
Hindi lang sa
sugar.
manako. Alam
And
mo
then
yan.
when it's like
Diba?
March,
Oo, di ba? Yung
When it's
mga
March,
Dior, talo yun.
I can eat sugar
dahil
anytime
tumaas
I
na yung
want.
gold, akala nila panalo sila. Pero hindi, good as crap na yun eh. Oh,
I would
90
rate
perfect.
this,
90 perfect. I can.
it's kind of sweet, so I'm gonna put like this.
Oo.
Then I put here. That's time to taste.
Oh.
Smell. I mean, it's like strawberry.
Hindi niya yata ang ano nila yung Goldrake. Kala niya yata kahit ano, yung damage. Okay niya kasi ano panalo sa Goldrake. Hindi man. Scrap yun. Magkano, di ba?
Cheers.
Magkano yung binibili? Halimbawa, si Madam Red, ang ganda magkano ko lang binili, di ba?
Stop na. Finish mo na yun. You will eat
Hindi
in the car
kahit,
na
hindi
lang.
nga, kahit na
Sa Kuya
sira
Kenneth.
yun, nagbenta siya.
Okay guys,
Hindi naman
it's
kung
time to
anong rate
end the video because I'm gonna go
Ganun ko rin po
home
hindi
now.
ganun.
Bye guys. You have to buy also. Okay. Bye bye guys. See you.